simple Java email validator. So three main things of Java are, well, of emails are: you need an at, you need a dot, and you need to have no spaces. So first of all, we need the input. So it is import scanner, import java.util.scanner. Cool. So we've got a scanner. That's the thing that lets you like type stuff. So then it is, give me a second, let me plug the mic in, there we go. Then it is public side void main argus, and it is scanner sc equals new scanner system.in. So that defines sc as the main scanner. So string, because it's an email, I spelled string wrong, email equals sc dot, like this gives you a next line and then colon afterwards. So now we've got the email. So we could just like opt for the input obviously, but then this line is something that I used, and it's like the thing which is used to be able to find the part of the email. So boolean is true or false is found, so that is found one. Email, that is this bit, so that is a string, so the string's variable name is obviously input dot index of, and then dot, that is what it's checking for, and is not equal to -1, true or false. So that obviously outputs true or false if there's a dot. So boolean is found equals email dot index of, and then we need to make sure there's an at in there, so that is that symbol. That's not equal to -1 question mark true dot dot false dot dot dot, and then we have to make sure that it's a different variable name obviously, and then you do that again. Boolean is found 2 equals email dot index of, and then this one is just a space, then it is not equal to -1 question mark true dot dot false. So now this will check if there's a dot in it, this will check if there's an at in it, and this will check if there's a space in it. So now if statements, I guess that's what we do now. Oh, I guess F this one up. Oh, you are an idiot. It was going so well, and then it's like nah. Okay then, space, cool. So now if statement, if you don't choose to crash, for God's sake, why is this just crashed? Why have you just crashed? Okay, yeah, okay. So we're back here, and it is if, and then bracket, we might as well just put the curly brackets there, and then if, and then make sure these are in brackets, if is found is then, so obviously you want the dot, so if is found equals true, now equals false, or, so for or is this, and then it is next, what's wrong with this, something expected, if is found equals that, or is found 1, how is a single false, yes it is, you are lying to me, or if is found 1 equals, and then at, so that is also false, because if it's false then this will be true, because it needs to have an at in, and then one more or is found 3 equal, and then it's a space, is found 3 equals, then it's true. Okay, so it was fully working anyway. So that is system.out.println you are an idiot. Else system.out.println, that's not how you spell out, out.println your email is okay. Okay, Boomer. Cool. And there's the email validator. Blah blah blah. Yep, good, lovely. And now we run this. Run it. It compiles. It takes a long time to compile, you know. So it's running. We have to actually wait until the grey thing. There we go. So we enter our email, which is done.youtube@lol.com. There we go. And your email is okay. And just to check for the next part, don't debug, run project, and it is, say we just had lol die. You have an idea. Well in, email validator, 6 minutes easy.